Hello, hello everyone. So today is day 11 of my journey of my 2026 calendar, where I'm painting my colors red and green. If it was a productive day, then it is a green day, and if it was not, then it is a red day. Okay, so on 11th of January, my day was quiet. Like I was not in a very talkative mode, I can say. And the best part was I read a chapter from my art and culture book, which the book is from when I was preparing for UPSC. That time I was having this book, Art and Culture. The name of the book is Art and Culture, and it's the whole book covers the art and culture of the India mostly. So it was this, and I read the chapter of religions in India, and I think after a long time I read something which is really very productive for me, because I want to read, I want to do some work, I want to study also, but it should not be like for a degree, for an exam, or maybe for something that I will get a result from there. I think the study should be like that you want to just learn, and that's all I want right now. So that's why I read this chapter, where I find that there are different kind of religions in India. The highest number of people which follow is Hinduism, then Islam, then Christianity, then there is Parsi people, also Zoroastrian people. So Zoroastrian religion, I'm sorry. So there were different kind of things, and what they do, how the things are, and there were a lot of things, all the rituals and all this stuff which were important, like you can highlight them. So all those were written in that chapter. So it was a whole day, my was great. And I also made some macaroni also in the evening, which is also a good. And the best, yes, the second best part is that I went live for both of my channel, for the Food with Sonal also, and for the Sarangini channel also, as because this channel is not having 50 subscriber, so I'm not able to go live on this channel. And I think I should not, because I think this channel will be of my journey, wherever I am going, whatever the picnic I am having, whatever country I am visiting, whatever food I am eating, whatever the culture of different country I am learning about, or the scenes, the greenery, the mountains, the volcanoes, all those things will be in this channel. So I think I should refrain from being on live on this channel, and I will take this channel as very smooth, at a very slow pace. If it is working, that is good. If it is not working, then also it is good. I will just work at the same pace. It should not be like that, okay, I need to post a video. It's not a compulsion. I will post on this channel, but if I am having the content, the good content, then only. If I'm not having that much good content, then I will not. I will use this channel as just to prove that yes, you can also do something. So I will use this channel for that. And I also want to learn a language also, which I'm trying to learn. I don't know what we say, that light wali language. When you tap that, this is a, and that kind of language. I think this is a Morse code language maybe. And then there is sign language also that I want to talk about, that whenever I am explaining something, so my hands are moving, that I'm talking with the people who are not able to listen also. So I think that would be also amazing. I think the first thing I should learn is, I think, sign language maybe. I don't know, I will think about it, but this is what I'm having in my mind. And the third language that I will learn will be Japanese language. I'm thinking so, I don't know. I'm just learning. Even I don't know the proper Hindi and not even the proper English, but I will do my best, whatever the time will bring in. I'm happy today. I don't know why, but I am. So here it is, my day 11, and I will paint my day green, as it was productive. I was quiet from my inside, but I was okay. I was very productive. That's totally fine. So 11 days green. Bye.